Hello to my dearest friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Karamina. I make videos about affordable beauty. So if you guys are interested on the subject, you might want to subscribe to this channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how I cut my hair using the butterfly haircut. A few days back, I tried the layer haircut on TikTok and I really like how it looks like on the front, but I didn't really like how it looks like behind. And then I found this butterfly haircut videos on internet, then I want to try it out, and I was wondering whether it will look good on me or not. I also did some retouch after I did the butterfly haircut, and this is actually the result. So if you guys want to know, then keep on watching.
So this is my before hair. I started with the wet and brush hair, just like Brett Mondo said, and I started dividing my hair from back of my ear to the other side of back of my ear, and I'm doing it from the top of my hair so it would be easier for me. You guys can do it the same too. And I gather and pull all of the hair to the front and start tying to the upper part of my eyebrows. Once I'm done with the front part, I gather and pull all of the back part of my hair and make it to the ponytail. Here, I try my best to tie everything as high as possible. This is how it looks like after I divided and tied the back part of the hair. Next, I decided where to cut the shortest layer. I want the layer start from my chin, so I cut around 10 centimeters. And by the way, this is also the length that we will cut for the back part of the hair. Once I'm finished cutting all of the front part, I started cutting the back part around the same length, and after that I untie my hair to check that the layers were even. Then this is where I think I should stop because I really like how it turned out. Yet, I decided to give my hair some retouch by dividing my hair from top of my head to the back of my ear. I did it on both sides, and then I pull each sides to the front and start cutting them to make it even. Once I'm done, I divided the back part of the hair and start mixing it to the front. Then I pulled them again to the front and start cutting it to make it even. I also did the same to the other side. And I think you should skip this part because I like the layer before I did this retouch. I only put it in this video so it would be fair that this is the steps that I take to reach the result. And this is how the layers look like after I did the butterfly cut and my retouch. And this is how much hair that I cut from start to finish.
So I just finished styling my hair. Now I'm gonna open this Velcro and we're gonna see how it looks like.
I'm actually really scared that this would be a fail, but I really like how the result. You guys can see my excitement in this video, and this is how it looks like after I blow it out. And I really love how it looks like on the behind, and it really gives me the layer that I really wanted. And this is how the layers look like if I flatten out in the front.
So that's how I cut my hair, and I really like the result. It gives me the volume that I want on the back of my hair. I can still look the layers, and I think I shouldn't retouch that because I like how it looks like before I retouch them. Well, I always cut my hair at home, and I've tried many tutorials to cut my hair layers on YouTube, and I think the butterfly cut was the best for me, and it's really easy. It doesn't take long, and I got a beautiful result within less than 15 minutes, so I think it's very effective. I'm signing off. I hope you guys find this video really informative if you want to try to do the butterfly haircut. I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for watching. And if you haven't followed me on Instagram and on TikTok, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. It's Karamina.